A very good morning to everyone. And what we have today is a really nice setup on one of the pairs that I really favor. So what we have today is a Gartley buy pattern. It's really beautiful. Let me show you what the context for this trade is. So we have the market cycle showing us 3 lower. We know that downtrend is completed, and now we're looking at the alternative cycle up, which is given to us in a bit of a disguised manner. So this first zone is all a zone, and it's given us an A, B, C, D in the red, a Gartley entry ultimately. And then we've seen this W or double bottom, and then the first break of the here. And now what we've done is created this retest back to this area, also in an A, B, C, D fashion. Let's show you where we are. So it is on the 4-hour time frames. Is best to show you how we go about this. So first things first is we are looking for clear swings, and this is what we call a clear swing. So that length there, let's label it up for you. So we have the anchor down here, which is always X. We have point A up here, B. So far we've done AB. So the rules are AB equals CD. So let's copy AB, sorry. And there we have it. So CD's coming in slightly lower. We're already in this, by the way, anticipating that it's probably just going to miss the area. So we've got CD now, AB equals CD. That is rule validated so far. CD. Right, now let's just finish off all the trimmings and draw in the wings and the ratios as well. So first of all, I like to draw in the characteristic bat-like wings. So there's your Gartley pattern. Now for the Fibonacci's. So the first one, we see where B is in relation to XA, and we can see that that's between the 61 and the 50% retracement. I'm going to go 61 because it's closer to it. So we've got the 61.8% here. I can see already that's a 78.6%. This won't quite yet be the 127. The 127 is a bit lower. Close, but not there yet. Let me just finish off doing the bits and bobs, making it look pretty. Okay, and then where this big one comes in is the 61.8%, which is there. So what I'm going to actually do is be a bit more accurate. This is the 61. This was the 50, really, because it hadn't gone to the 61.8. And that, ladies and gents, is the setup that we're looking for to get long NZD CAD. So we've seen an ABCD structure. We've identified the Gartley elements to it, which bring it even higher probability. So for now, we just sit back and we watch markets unfold. So I hope you got some value out of that. Reach out if you haven't, like and subscribe. That, ladies and gents, is a very high probability trade setup long. Thank you very much. Cheers.